Hey guys, thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today I'm looking at this 2009 Acura TSX. How do you guys like the hat, by the way? Got it free from work, but my friends say I look more approachable with a hat on. So is my video better with a hat on? But back to the subject. When I turn in this car, it makes this wicked, crazy click, 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 click. Don't drive around with your seatbelt like this, by the way. I'm on a closed course somewhere in Mexico right now, by the way. But you hear that? When you turn and accelerate the something, it is clicking away. So if you think you might know what it is, comment below and let's figure this thing out ASAP, you know? So you hear that? Watch it. This stuff gets annoying. But like I said, comment below, like, subscribe, share, and I'll hopefully see you on the next hopefully helpful video, which is fixing this sound. Later.